everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into KTU. KTU, or APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, emphasizes to improve the academic standards of the graduate, postgraduate and research programs in engineering, science, technology and management. If you'd like to log in as a student for KTU, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser of your choice. To log in as a student, in the web address bar type in www.ktustudents.in and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this page, mouse over to the academic drop down at the top left. In the option, click on the login portal under official. Now you'll end up in this page where you can click on this official login link. In the sign in area on the next page, type in your username as a student in the first text box. Head over to the next field and type in your password associated with the accounts. If you don't remember your password, click on this forgot password link in order to reset to a new password, which will be easier for you to remember next time. After filling in your username and password, click log in and you'll be able to log into your KTU student account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.